Let me guess, you post videos but no one is watching and YouTube is not recommending your video. That's exactly where I'm at right now. I've been growing my channel for a while and honestly, it feels like YouTube has this secret world that small creators like me cannot climb. Lately, I've noticed a few things that could be keeping us stuck. This is not me teaching. This is me sharing what I've been learning along the way. I used to think that YouTube doesn't just push small channel, but then I realized it's not the YouTube that is ignoring us, it's the people. Put yourself in that position for a second. If you see two videos on the same topic, the other one has 10k views and the other one has 5 views, which one will you go for? I guess you already have the answer. That's what is called social proof. People are drawn to what is already popular. As harsh as that may sound as a small creator, that is the truth. I've seen it with my own channel. In fact, most times my video gets ignored not because they are bad, but because no one knows or trusts me yet. And that's okay though. Instead of blaming the algorithm, I started focusing on building one video at a time. Better title, clearer topic, and more personal stories. One thing I've learned from bigger creators like Dan the Creator is what he called the unfair advantage. It's something that makes you stand out in your niche. At first, I thought I didn't have it. I mean, I'm just a small channel with less than 300 subscribers. But then I realized that my advantage is exactly that I'm living what most small creators go through right now. I'm not teaching from success. I'm documenting from experience. And that's something I know that no other creator can copy because my journey is different from your journey on YouTube. Your unfair advantage may be your background, your humor, or even your accent. It will be your personality, something real that makes you interesting. Once I started learning into that, instead of sounding like a guru who has it all put together, my videos started looking natural. And that's when people started connecting with me more. Next is about consistency. This one really opened my eyes. The algorithm struggle to recommend small channel not because it is broken, but because it doesn't have enough data about us yet. I used to post random content because I didn't know what my audience wanted. If you're a small creator, you understand why this happens a lot. I'll post YouTube tips, vlogging, motivational. Then I wondered why YouTube couldn't figure me out. It's like selling shoes, but moving your store every week from the shoe store to the fruit store to the grocery stores and even to clothing stores. This means even your customers won't know where to find you. This sounds funny, but that was what I was doing with my channel. This got my channel stuck until I figured out that I need a direction. That was when YouTube started slowly to understand what my channel is all about. And it started understanding who my audience are. Now I also learn how to pay attention to title, to thumbnails, and retention. Even though that last one, it's still a bit difficult for me as a small creator because these things are what tells YouTube that people are interested in your videos. And instead of rushing out 100 videos, maybe trying to create videos every day, I took a step back and started focusing on something clearer, making one or two videos that gives the algorithm a clearer picture to work with. I tried coming up with original video ideas. That's another trap for small creators like me. That's when I started noticing that some videos kept popping up on my YouTube page. Same topic, different creators, and they had crazy views. That's when I realized it's okay to mirror what is working already, not copying but learning patterns. I analyzed successful videos, their title, thumbnail, and openings. Then I made my own version in my own voice. The difference is those videos actually got seen more than any other video I've created before. And no, I did not copy. I just used the idea and made it to fit my own style. For thumbnail, I used to not take them seriously. I just grabbed a random frame and maybe added some text to it and then post my videos. But comparing mine to other channels, I now realized that mine didn't even stand out. I started testing cleaner thumbnails, brighter face, whatever face I see that's already working, fewer words. I even made a video about it here. It's not perfect, but even small improvement has helped me to get fewer clicks more than I used to. Because honestly, it doesn't matter how good a video is. If it doesn't get click, no one knows. So yeah, I'm still in a small channel hell. I don't have all the answers yet, but I'm slowly learning what works and what doesn't. If you are stuck to under 1,000 subscribers, you're posting but barely getting views, you are not alone. We may not be out yet, but at least now we know where to start digging. I tell myself this often. I am not the same with those who are yet to start their YouTube channel. And I'm also telling you too, you are not the same as those who haven't started yet. We just need a little wing to soar. So let's soak it all in and keep moving.